We are looking at how to pronounce this word. And we're going to be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary, including vocabulary that is just hard to spell from the pronunciation, okay? So let's have a quick look at what it is before we look at how to say it properly. It's a plant or animal that prefers or thrives in sandy areas. Now that's your phonetic spelling right here. As you can see, it's actually easy. You wonder why they didn't spell it that way. Psammophile. So the P is silent. Sam, and then phile. PH is of course F. Stress on the first syllable. Psammophile. It's easy in the end. Remember? Now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. And thanks for watching.